The truth.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm wearing a sports bra. Don't judge me, it's very hot in here. That's why you hear this fan doing his thing, and I'm gonna leave it like this. So just try to understand me. So today I actually have a couple of new things that I didn't really used on this channel yet, and I actually really like them, so I wanted to share with you. So I'll just start by putting on my foundation, and we'll just move on. For foundation today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour Fresh Look Longwear foundation. This is a mouthful, and I think you know this foundation. You have it in different packaging. I suppose it's square now, it's the same thing, they just changed the bottle. And as always, everything I will be using today will be listed down below in the comment section. No, not the comment section, the info box. And for concealer I'm going to be using the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 10 Nude. And for setting powder I'm going to use the AIRSPUN Loose Face Powder in the shade Translucent. And now I'm gonna be doing my brows, and I'm gonna use my Studio Pro waterproof brow pomade in the shade Medium. Well, they're not very even today, but it's okay. I think it looks pretty good. And today for contouring I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro contouring palette. The lid of this palette just broke a little bit. I'm gonna be using this. This is the lightest shade, so I'm gonna be using this. So we're done with the face for now, and now I'm gonna use this palette that Makeup Revolution has sent me. This palette is not for sale on their site, and that's a shame because this is a damn good palette. So this is what happened. I ordered a big order from them, and they couldn't send me the 2 bottles of setting spray that I ordered because of Israeli post office don't let some liquids enter the country and stuff. So they send the package back to Makeup Revolution, and they took out those 2 bottles of setting spray, and instead of it they sent me this palette. I should say the palette is awesome, but it's still broke. I don't know how it happens to me every single time. I don't know if it happened in the flight, in the packaging, or whatever happened to it. I don't know, but if you can see this shade, I pressed it in, I pressed it back, but you can still see it was broken, and I actually didn't use any alcohol or something. I just pressed it back. It holds on. So I'm gonna be very careful today with the palette. Before that I need a transition shade, and you know what, I'm gonna use this contouring palette for my transitioning shades. So I'm taking a fluffy brush and the lightest shade, just blending it into my crease. Whoa, it looks orange on the screen. Really funny. This is because I have a window on this side and a white LED lights on this side and on this side, so the shades might look a little bit warmer on the right side of my face. The lighting doesn't want to work with me today, so I'm sorry. Now with the same brush I'm taking this light pink shade next to the lightest contouring shade, and I'm like veiling over this contour shade. So now we're moving on to this palette. And I'm gonna take this, I don't know how to call it, smoky, rosy color, I don't know. And I'm taking the same brush, and these colors are so pigmented, so be careful. I'm elongating the eyeshadow like towards the temple, so it will give a little bit of a cat eye shape. So I closed the window a little bit so you will see better. And actually I will see better that way. This different lighting from different sides is driving me crazy. So this is how it looks for now. And I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush and I'm going in with this brown matte shade, just a little bit, and I'm concentrating it in the outer corner. Something like this. I'm taking the same shade, taking it a little bit over the lower lid, just a little bit, not too much. And now I'm gonna take the lightest shade in this palette. It's this light golden shimmery shade. I would say it's not even shimmery, all those bright colors are actually metallic. So I'm gonna take a flat brush and coat it with the shade, and I'm gonna put it on the lid. And I'm gonna take the same color on the same brush, and I'm gonna wet the brush with some setting spray, and we're gonna put it in the inner corner. Now it looks much better. Now it looks almost as a half-cut crease. I actually really like how it turned out. Now we're done with this palette. The colors are beautiful, very pigmented, very creamy, and if you ever thought about getting a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, you should. Again, this one is not for sale on the site. I haven't found it, but the shadows are great. So I'm not gonna use an eyeliner today, but I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes So Couture mascara. And I really like this one. Oh god, I didn't record this. Great. So as you can see, I finished my eyes with the mascara, and I used a little bit of blush, and I used this is the Blush Neutrals 26 color eyeshadow and blush palette by BH Cosmetics. It looks like this, and I used this shade of blush. I really like it. I think it looks good with those eyes of mine. And now I want to try a new highlighter. Well, it's not new, but it's new for me, and this is the Makeup Revolution Pearlites Loose Highlighter, and this one is in the shade Peach Champagne. This is how it looks. This is actually a loose highlighter, which I never had before. I was so afraid of them all the time. Now I guess I'll see why, because I'm afraid I'm gonna get it all over myself and all over my room and ruin this beautiful makeup. Ooh, now I'm afraid. So for that, I'm gonna take my favorite highlighting brush, and this is the Real Techniques setting brush. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, you don't need a lot. Woo. Oh my god, this is so bright. You can see it, right? This is very bright. Wow. I kind of like it. It's very pretty.
A little bit on Cupid's bow. And I think I should put a little bit of this highlighting shade in my inner corners. What do you think? And I'm gonna use the same brush to make it more intense on my Cupid's bow and on the bridge of my nose. A little bit under the brow bone, just a little bit. I I don't usually do it because I already have a lot of lid space, so I don't usually do it, but sometimes you just have to. It adds a lot. See how it glows now? I love this highlighter. Very soft, light pink shine. So now I thought of choosing a lipstick, and I actually have a new lipstick from Essence. This is the Color Boost Vinylicious liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade 07 Bite Me If You Can. This is a highly pigmented liquid lipstick with a rich vinyl finish. This is a beautiful shade, and let's see if it suits this eye look. I hope it does. I actually thought it would be a little bit darker. I think it looks cool, but I think it's a little bit too bright. I thought it would be a little bit darker, as you can see from the color of the tube. More of a deep wine shade, more vampy. But I actually like how it turned out. I think it actually suits the eye look. Tell me, what do you think about this look? If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And we'll see each other in the next one. I hope you're having a great day.